Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was up 0.6% today. We did have a change on our signal. Our fast signal went from red to green on our stocks. We did not have any changes on our bond signals today. Normally, we would be making some changes tomorrow based on the signal changing, or at least looking at it and seeing if the market did well. But we're going to wait until early next week just because of the fact that it's the end of the quarter. If you look back last year, for example, at the end of each quarter, you see these very strong moves one way or another. And then right away, once the quarter's over, they kind of reverse and go the opposite direction. So, if it was going up, it comes down. And so that's my concern, for next week. Let's just wait and see what happens early in the week and see if this, rally that we're having can continue. Again, it hasn't continued last year at the end of each quarter, only because we've got this big rebalancing happening. It's kind of just distorting the market for a period of time. And then once that rebalance is done, then the market kind of gets back down to maybe where it would have been normally, whether that's up or down. And so I think this is a time, to be a little cautious of attaching kind of significance to the motion that's happening here. I mean, for example, today, the big news was that there were several Fed governors out doing interviews talking about raising interest rates. Normally that would drive the market down, but it's coming up here because we're seeing to see this, end of quarter run that we're having, much like we saw at the end of the first quarter last year, actually. So that's what's happening right now. Not a lot else going on, a lot coming up, of course, and we'll see how that plays out. But again, if you want to join me tomorrow for my Talk Money with Tom show on YouTube, it's live from 12:15 to 1 o'clock. I do a nice summary of what I saw happening for the week. And then you can send in questions and ask, live during the show, things that you're thinking about and that you might want to have answered. So feel free to join me then, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.